fell off. Here, wait a second.
Let me get Max's shoes.
These are fun to put on. They have that little...
What is this Christmas mix that you got?
For Rachel. This is for Rachel and Miles. Smiling. Look.
They have like a Christmas big playlist, and I just downloaded it.
Ooh.
That's a nature calendar.
Cool. Should we we'll put that in your room?
Nice.
January.
So this is.
All the cool things to look out for: squirrels, woodpeckers.
I don't know. It just I thought it would be something you could hang in your office.
Wow.
Maybe.
There's a woman behind me.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It was from family. I don't know. We just thought it looked cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. It kind of looks army-ish. Maybe Miles like.
Yeah.